Today we'll see the dry run of printing pattern series. This is the pattern series over here, and this we are generating as an output. So over here, this is the whole code for this particular program. Now let's see the dry run of this program. Okay, so here initially we took I and J and a number called N. Okay, here let me say this is the header file where we stored all the definition of these functions are already predefined, that is printf, scanf, these functions are already predefined, that is in the header file. This is void main from where the execution starts. Now here I is the number of rows and J is the number of columns. I is the number of rows and J is the number of columns. First of all, here it's saying from the user will get the number of rows, how many number of rows the user want to generate. Suppose n is 4, user entered 4 as to be generated. Okay, so we'll enter into the loop. First loop is for the number of rows. As I said that I is the number of rows and J is the number of columns. So I starts from 0, I is initially 0, I less than n, this condition is true, I is less than n, 0 is less than 4. So we'll enter into this inner loop, which is J. This is the number of columns. J is equal to 0. Initially J is equal to 0. Now J less than equal to I is what? I is 0. J is 0. 0 less than equal to 0. 0 is not less than, but 0 is equal to 0. So we'll enter into this. We'll print 1 star first of all in the screen. 1 star will get printed. After that, again the loop will continue. J plus plus, J becomes 1. I is still 0 because we are still running in the inner loop. So again J becomes plus, J becomes 1. Again check the condition, 1 less than equal to I. What is the value of the I? I is 0. So 1 less than equal to 0? No, condition is false. So out from this inner loop, we'll print a line. This thing means printing a new line. So cursor will move to the next line, but this outer loop is still going on. So over here I will be now I plus plus. From 0 it becomes I becomes 1. Now check 1 less than equal to 4. What is the value of n? N is 4. 1 less than equal to 4. Condition true. Get into the inner loop. Again J will start with 0. Again J will start freshly with 0. 0 less than equal to, what is the value of I? I is now 1. So 0 less than equal to 1. Condition true. We'll enter into this. We'll print the star over here in the next line. Again J plus plus, J becomes 1. 1 less than equal to 1. I value is what? 1. So 1 less than equal to 1. Condition true. Yes. So we'll enter into this and we'll print another star. Now J becomes 2. J plus plus, J becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 1? No, condition is false. We'll exit from this inner loop and we'll get into the outer loop. I plus plus, now I becomes 2. 2 is less than equal to 2 is less than n. What is the value of n? 4. So 2 less than 4. Enter into this. J again starts freshly with 0. What is the value of I? I is 2. 0 less than equal to I. What it means? 0 less than equal to 2. Condition true. We'll enter into this. We'll print another star in the next line. Again J plus plus, J becomes 1. 1 less than equal to 2. Condition true. We'll print again another star. Again J plus plus, J becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 2. Condition true. We'll print another star. Done. Again J becomes plus plus, J3. 3 less than equal to I. I is what? 2. 3 less than equal to 2? No. So we'll exit from this inner loop and we'll generate a new line. This is a new line. So we'll generate a new line. Cursor will move over here. This outer loop is still going on. Outer loop is now, it's what? I becomes 3. 3 less than 4? Yes, condition true. We'll enter into this. J again starts freshly with 0. 0 less than equal to 3? Yes, condition is true. We'll print a star. Again J plus plus, J becomes 1. 1 less than equal to 3? Yes, condition true. We'll print another star. Again J plus plus, J becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 3? Yes, condition is true. will print another star. Again j plus plus 2 becomes 3, 3 less than equal to 3, yes, condition true, will print another star in the line. Again j plus plus j becomes 4, 4 less than equal to 3, no, will out from this inner loop, will go to the outer loop, I plus plus, I becomes what? I was 2, no, I was 3, again I becomes 4. Now the new value of I is 4. What was the value of n? N was 4 initially. So then 4 less than equal to 4? No. Here we are exiting from the outer loop because outer loop condition is false. 4 less than equal to 4. So we'll out from this outer loop, and this whole program gives you this as an output. Here this is a right angle triangle. Now you can print a star, or you may print an hash, anything on that. So this was all about the dry run of this whole program over here. Thank you. Thanks for watching.